Good morning everybody. It's day 74 of lockdown and this is part 1 of a new episode. They do come round quickly, don't they? Well, it's another lovely morning. It's clearly been raining in the night. The ground's pretty wet and especially in these fields. So I'll be picking up loads of fox scent on the bottom of my trousers, no doubt. And there is a lot about fox scent, that is, not trousers. So yeah, the foxes have definitely been out in the night. And one of them just collected the camera. There's a few clips on there. Well, there's about 7. So I'll check them when we get back. So we'll just have a bit of a wander around the field, and it's pretty quiet actually, apart from that plane that's just been over. Yeah, it's reasonably quiet, very calm. So yeah, we'll just carry on around the fields and then we'll head back into the woods and then head back home for a brew. Right, should we go? Right, come on then. There's a family of jackdaws nested in that tree there. There's a magpie just landed in the top. Don't know whether that jackdaw's making a noise because of me or because of the magpie. Yeah, the nest is just in amongst that ivy there. The sun's just starting to show itself over the trees. It's just starting to show on the far end of the field there. It'll be a nice day today. Just check the apple tree and they seem to be coming on nicely. Putting a bit of weight on. And I think I found a blackberry bush as well, which has been in flower. Just getting to the end of its flowering stage. So maybe we'll be getting some blackberries soon. I'll have to keep an eye on those as well. There's going to be no shortage of wild edibles. Another reason to get out on a regular basis is all the things that you learn whilst you're out. When it comes to the next year, you've got a better idea of when plants are going to be out, when animals are going to be rearing their young, at what stages the youngsters are out and about, fending for themselves. It's just one massive learning curve. We're up to 74 days now, and the amount of things I've learned is really good, really. I'm looking forward to next year now, to seeing if the same process sort of follows suit. I've been thinking over the last couple of days, when lockdown finally gets lifted, I'll probably carry on doing this. Maybe not as often, but you never know. I'm definitely going to keep doing it because I'll not be able to do it on a regular basis because I'll be working my shifts and stuff like that, getting the kids to school, but there'll be days when I can get out. So yeah, I think I'm going to carry on doing that. And if you're happy with that, then so am I. Right, we're finished in the fields now. We're going to move into the woods. Just look at this area here. When I first started coming in these fields, these were just little tiny saplings. You could barely see them amongst the grass. And now it's creating its own little mini woodland. Good morning everybody. Welcome to day 75 of lockdown. Second part of this episode. Went out last night to place the camera and it was blowing a gale. It was really windy. So I had a few things planned for last night, but I just placed the camera and then came straight back home. And then as you can see, this morning it's raining, but I can't leave the camera out. I have to go and get it. So we've battened down the hatches. We're en route. We're going to grab the camera and then just get straight back home. Okay, catch you in a minute. The rain didn't seem as bad as this when I first set out. The camera's doing all sorts of silly things. All the screens are upside down and the functions are not working as they should. Brought the gimbal out, but I'm not sure that was a good idea now. Might need some drying out when I get back. I don't know, I certainly will. Right, we're just heading back into the woods now. Oh! Right, well, sorry, I'm going to have to cut this one short today. Unless it clears up later and I can get out, I'm going to have to cut this one short. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, give us a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, which is up here, or the one down below. Don't forget to click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on the next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Whew.